Hello again. I now wanted to show you quickly how to use the snipping tool. If you're ever on a website or a resource or something, you don't want to send them the whole thing, but you really want them to see exactly what you're talking about. For example, this graphic organizer examples website that I've got pulled up. Let's say I wanted them to make a graphic organizer of something, and I wanted to say, I want you to do a bubble topic organizer like this one, but I don't want to have to like explain it or show a video or send them all the things. I'm going to use my snipping tool, which will just take a quick little screenshot of this section, and then I can just paste that into whatever I'm working in. I actually use it all the time, so it's pinned down here on my taskbar, but for those of you who don't have it, you can click on your start menu. And if you scroll down, it's typically in Windows Accessories. So down here, Windows Accessories, and there's the snipping tool. The other way you can find it is if you click this little circle. It's your search tool. So I'm just going to type snip, and there it is again. And the other thing you can do if you search for it this way is click pin to start, and that will pin it down here. Or excuse me, you would click pin to taskbar, but mine's already pinned. And then it would just stay down here on the bottom. But either way, I'm going to open this. And when it loads, it's just going to have a quick little menu. Okay. And all you have to do to start is click new. And as soon as you click new, it kind of mutes your screen a little bit. And then you just take your little cursor. And for example, for this one, I'm going to line it up so that it covers exactly what I want. And there we go. It snipped it, pops it up in a window, and now I can see exactly what my tool is. You have some little pens and highlighters here that you can be like, here, like this, or this is called the bubble topic organizer. You can use the eraser if you decide that you don't want to have that highlighted. You can undo some of those things. When you're done, you can file, save as, and it'll save it as an image, or you can just hit edit and copy, and then just literally paste it right into whatever you're doing. So if you're working on an email, then I could just do new email and paste it right here. Or I could paste it into a Word document or whatever else I'm working on. And again, that is called the snipping tool. I hope that helps.